So is there any specific formula or best practices for auditing a website for SEO? There's so many different ways that you can audit a website. There is a technical audit of a website. In fact, I own a website called iloveseo.com, where Brian Harnish, he's an SEO expert. He's a writer for I Love SEO. He put together this 60-page document that has a full checklist of technical SEO audit. You can go to iloveseo.com now, just put your email in there, and it'll actually email you that 60-page audit. So that's really advanced. But one thing that I would probably look at is just look at your website from a user perspective. Sometimes it's the most simple things that we ignore. And so when I say look at it from a user perspective, just go to your website, read your own content. Would you hire yourself after reading your own content? Does it sound like it's a robot that wrote the content? Does it sound like it's too optimized for keywords? If you find yourself saying yes to those questions, then maybe you want to rewrite the content for the user. Look at whatever it is service that you offer and look at the pain points of your customers and, lead with those and how you can kind of solve some of their pain points, with whatever it is solution that you provide, whether it's a service or a product. So I would encourage you to audit your website more from a usability perspective. The technical stuff, we can probably do a 5-day boot camp on that. I won't be able to accomplish that on this call. And I would also monitor things like Google Search Console as well. That will give you some alerts as far as like things that you can do to improve page speed, other technical issues with your website. But again, focus on the user.